let's go ahead and open this baby up. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is going to be exciting. When I say exciting, I mean exciting because I am so excited for this one. Like, my hands have been itching. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. This particular one has got me excited. But before we go straight into that, if you are new on this channel, if this is your first time you're coming across this page, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Because I have amazing contents. Trust me when I say I have amazing content. You can actually go back to my other videos to see for yourself. I have amazing content. So all I just need you to do is join the family, join the gang, okay? So hit the subscribe button and trust me, you will not regret that you did. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I am grateful. So like I said, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing the Apple SE watch. I'm excited. This thing has been with me for like a week, almost a week now. And I've been looking for the right time to unbox. And today I was like, you know what? Today is the day. I can't wait any longer. So I'm going to be unboxing this watch. So I've got the Apple SE watch. So it's a gold aluminum case, pink sand spot band, and 40 millimeters. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. So I'm going to be doing a little ASMR. Let's bring the camera closer so we can have a better look of this. Let's go. Okay, that was a little ASMR. So I'm going to be talking about the watch and how it came. So this is the outer packaging. It's really cute, guys. Really cute. This just shows like different bands, styles of the Apple Watch. So yeah, the bands came in this packaging. As you can see, there's one more left. This is a size medium large. I took the small medium because I have a small wrist, as you can see. So I took the one in the size small medium, which came here, and this one is the strap, the one that holds it together. So, and these are just like instructions on how to fix the bands in the watch. And also it came with its charger. So I think, yeah, this stuff is magnetic. So the charger is magnetic and it just stays on it. Let's try it and see. So this is the charger, this is the watch, and just boop. So yeah, this is how it stays. And you just plug it to your adapter. And yeah, so now let's go in. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. Can you see how gorgeous? See how gorgeous this little thing is. Like, see how gorgeous it is. So pretty, so beautiful. So now let's go ahead and put in the bands. Okay, so this is the small medium size, small medium. This is it. So and that's it. That's it. Let's put in the other side. Take this off. Put it in the other side. Voila! Fixed. I hope I actually fixed this thing well. Yeah, I think I did. I think I fixed it well. So yeah, that's it. So while I was trying to like adjust this, it came on. It came on. So let's take a look at it to see what's inside. Okay, so I have my phone here, and that's the Apple Watch. Oh, sorry. Sorry, wrong way. So as you can see, it's asking to pair. So we just say continue, set up for myself, and then we need to voila. Okay, so she's asking what wrist I wear my Apple Watch. I wear my watch on the left. Workout routine tracking, enable route tracking. Okay. Text size. This is how big or small I want my screen to look. As you can see, it's showing on here. So let's go ahead and increase it and see. As you increase it, it's increasing the size as well. But I don't think I want it that big. I think I want it like about this size. Perfect. Passcode off camera, of course. Okay, this is done. Welcome to Apple Watch. Okay, we press this to see how it looks. Voila, that's it. So we can actually change the face, you know, if you want something different. You can pick like different faces for the watch, and as you change it, it reflects on the watch itself. So let's go ahead and see what face I would like. You can actually add some photos to display on the watch. You can add some photos, but I think I'll do that later. I'll just go ahead and add like a watch face to this. Okay, let's go ahead and add the butterfly. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice. That is actually beautiful. Like, see? And it moves, you know, it moves. That's it. Really cute. I love it. Okay, we can go back to my watch. So let's see what's in the watch itself. Okay, let's view the apps. So these are the different apps that we have on this watch. Okay, so now this is like completely set up. Like let's just go ahead and put this on. Let's take out this. Sorry, I wouldn't have been needing you again. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. Okay guys, that's it for this video. As you can see, I've got my Apple Watch right here. This butterfly is just it's just amazing. I love it. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you want to see what's on the Apple Watch, the apps and all of that, I'll make a video showing you all of that. So it's going to be like what's on my Apple Watch video. So I would make a separate video for that, so you can see all the apps and how it is. I'll probably do some customization to it. So yeah. All right guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. And now also, if you made it this far, please hit the subscribe button. I told you you have amazing content, so please hit the subscribe button and join the gang. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This is how I'll be working from today. Excuse me, sorry, so what? Oh, I didn't know. Oh my god. I actually love this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.